How to clean the water filter of the automatic washing machine. Remove the water filter. Removing the filter after washing 3 batches straight. 1 batch thick adult clothes. 1 batch of adult t-shirts and shorts. 2 batches toddlers' clothes. 1 batch of jeans clothing. 1 batch bedsheets and pillowcases. Using a brush, remove the accumulated dirt on the water filter. A clogged filter can also lead to a buildup of bacteria, mold, and other contaminants, which can cause unpleasant odors and even damage to your machine. Best practice I would recommend is cleaning your washing machine filter after at least 1, 2, or 3 batches of washing of clothes to ensure your machine continues to operate at maximum efficiency. To prevent buildup and prolong your machine's lifespan, clean your washing machine filter. After cleaning the water filter, put it back on the automatic washing machine.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.